Hello friends, welcome back. Today let's make a Persian love cake. This is a soft and moist cake flavored with rose, orange and cardamom. So let's get started. Firstly, take 3/4 cup of thick yogurt or curd. Add 4 tablespoons of any flavorless oil to it. Two to 3 tablespoons of rose water. And whisk it well until it's all mixed. Crush 3 to 4 cardamom to get 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add 3/4 cup of fine semolina. This is also called chiroti rava. Half cup of almonds powdered or 3/4 cup of almond powder. Next we add powdered sugar. We'll add this in parts so that we get the right sweetness for the cake. Whisk until well combined. If you feel that the cake batter has gotten very thick and you're having difficulty whisking it, then add a little bit of milk or water to loosen it. We are adding a little more sugar because it's not sweet enough. I had actually powdered half a cup of sugar and I used almost 3/4 of the powdered sugar that it gave me. Once everything is well combined, allow it to rest for around 30 minutes so that the semolina soaks up all the liquid. Next we'll add our leavening agents, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 3/4 a teaspoon of baking powder, and we will mix that in. Now would be the right time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. We've already prepared a cake tin which has been oiled and dusted with flour, and next we're going to pour in our cake batter. Tap it twice and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. Now as the cake cools, we'll make the orange syrup for the cake. We're going to use the juice of 1 orange for this syrup. Use the sweetest orange you can get and juice the orange right before you're ready to make the syrup. Otherwise, the orange juice can turn bitter if left outside for too long. We've now juiced an entire orange and we're ready to make the syrup. To make the syrup, heat around 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Boil it until the sugar has melted. Now we will add the orange juice. Next we are adding a few strands of saffron. This is optional. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes until the syrup thickens a little. Then remove it from heat and allow the syrup to cool. We are ready to assemble the cake. Spoon over or brush the syrup onto the cake. Use as much of syrup as you want. Use more syrup for a moist cake. We're going to top the cake with some chopped pistachios and dried rose petals. Your Persian love cake is now ready. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to the channel 1 Teaspoon of Life for more such recipes.